Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning to all of you. Let everybody join, then we'll start.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Everybody take out your social studies copies.
Ma'am, we have to
Very
do
good.
the
What
question.
did we do yesterday?
I'm a worksheet.
Which worksheet? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, answer the following question in detail.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer, answer the following in details. So could you complete that worksheet?
Yes, ma'am.
What about others?
Ma'am, only the two answers are left to write.
Okay, what about you, Vedanshu? Taranveer, Yuvraj, Aradhya. What about you?
Ma'am, I have done the full worksheet.
Very nice. Akshaj and Aradhya have completed.
Ma'am, I have done the full.
Very good. Vedanshu has done it.
Send it. Also done.
You have also done. Okay. Now, answer the following. Beta, Vedanshu, can you please send it to me? Which worksheet was that? Let me just see. Have a look.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Fourth A. Okay. Answer the following in detail. Name 3. Okay. 5 questions. Fine. So I think only Manya is left whose worksheet is not complete. Rest everybody else has done it. Taranveer, beta, what about you?
Ma'am, I have done.
You have done it. Very nice. Riddhi Agarwal, have you done it? Okay. Now again today I'm going to share a new worksheet which you all have to do, and after doing the worksheet everybody will post it on the class group. Is that clear? I'm sharing a screen with you because today the answers that the questions that are framed, they are very short answer type. It will not take much time. So how many students are there? There are 13 students in class. I want 13 worksheets on the class group today. Thumbs up. Good. Any questions regarding this worksheet? You have to write questions also along with the answers. Only answers are not allowed. Fine. All of you can see the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Wonderful.
Yes, ma'am.
Now your time starts now. You have time till 12 o'clock. Isn't it? 35 minutes to complete this worksheet. All the best.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, these are the question answers of the chapter.
What, beta?
Ma'am, these are the question answers.
Yes, these are questions. You have to write them. You have to write the answers also. Yes.
we have to write only answers.
No, beta, you have to write questions also. Any other question?
Ma'am, we also have to write SI International
No,
subject.
no, beta, don't write that. Don't write that.
Ma'am, we have to write worksheet 1 and the sign also.
You have to write. Yes, you can write worksheet number 1. And why worksheet number 1? Because this is the first worksheet of this chapter. Responsibilities of good citizen.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, my copy is full.
Beta, make a new copy.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I tell the first answer? Ma'am, can I tell the first
Beta,
answer?
you don't have to tell any answer. First do the worksheet, then you have to post it on the class group. Okay? We are not discussing the answers. You will post your work today.
Ma'am, this worksheet is from first to fourth chapter.
Beta, worksheet is from 3rd chapter. Responsibilities of good citizen. I have written the name also of the chapter. Yes, say.
Good morning, ma'am.
You're joining the class so late. Do this worksheet in your social studies copy. Write questions and answers both. And then post it on the class group right after completing it.
My that
What?
Ma'am, I will write question 1 and answer and question 2 and answer. Ma'am, the second question will be a person with a good civic sense.
What is civic sense? So you have to tell a person having duty, responsibility, and respect.
Ma'am, but I have written
I told you.
Ma'am, but I have written the sense of the respect, duty, and responsibility towards each other's qualification.
Yes, that's also correct. A person having a sense of responsibility and duty and respect for each other is civic
Respect,
sense.
the duty, and responsibilities are called the civic sense.
Having a
Ma'am,
sense. Oh, yes.
ma'am, anyone
Beta, a person having sense of duty, responsibility, and respect is called civic sense. Open your book. I have told you when you do these kind of worksheets, you can take help of your book. You have done civic sense in your copy also.
Ma'am, I have written to live peacefully. We must have a sense of respect, duty, and responsibility is called civic sense.
See, beta, Vedanshu, you have just written what the line was written in the book, right? It is exactly bookish language. But you have to tell what civic sense is. Civic sense is having sense of duty, responsibility, and respect towards each other. That is civic sense, okay? To live peacefully, just remove it. To live peacefully or to live happily, remove this line.
Ma'am, I have written respect, duty, and responsibility towards each other. We can write.
Yes, very good, Manya. Very good. Now tell what we can write.
Ma'am, please tell the second answer. Person with good civic sense.
Beta, they are asking what is civic sense. You are saying person with good civic sense is civic sense. Does this make any sense? Does this answer make any sense? No, it does not. What is civic sense? And then you can write a person should have civic sense. That's all. Now nobody will tell. Nobody will tell.
Ma'am, as good citizens of India, it is important for us to develop a good civic sense. Ma'am, it is right.
No, it is not right. It is wrong. What is civic sense? When it is asked what is civic sense, you have to tell what civic sense is. Civic sense is having responsibility, duty, and respect towards each other. That is civic sense.
Please tell the
Ma'am.
spelling of beauty.
Ma'am, I am on question 5 now.
Very good.
इतनी हंगन कैसे लगती है? Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, when we were reading this chapter, I was absent that day.
Now, beta, I will not explain the whole chapter again. What was the date of the date that day? Please go and see the recording of your class. Okay. Why are recordings sent? Recordings are sent for the same purpose only. If you have missed anything, you can see that thing.
Ma'am, the citizen means the people of city.
Beta, citizens mean a person belonging to a country, not city. A person belonging to a country. Like we belong to India, we are the citizens of India.
Ma'am, I am on 6th question.
मैम आंसर खुद लिखने हैं.
Yes, beta, you have to write them yourself.
Ma'am, I have done.
Good.
Ma'am, in the question 10, I have written the road, hospital, monument, movie halls, and more other things.
What? I can't understand what you have written.
Ma'am, the road, hospital, monument, movie halls, and more other things made by government is called public property.
Okay, that is also correct. And public property is also the property that belongs to everyone.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have written.
Very good.
Ma'am, I don't know the answer of private property.
Which one?
And private property.
Oh, beta, why don't you know? Open your book. It is so clearly given what is private property. Try to look for the answer in the book.
I know. Fifth one.
What is the fifth one?
Fifth one.
Yes, beta, tell what is the fifth one?
Voter means who votes.
Yes. A person above the age of 18 years is a voter. See, in the paragraph of voter, what is given? A person who votes and is a person who is above 18 years is a voter.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of above?
ABOVE.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, only 10 minutes left to come.
Have you posted your work?
Yes, ma'am, I have posted.
Okay,
Ma'am,
I can see whose work. I can see only Vedanshu Prakash's work on the class group.
Ma'am, I can send it after the classes are over.
Will you not be able to send it right now, beta, in the class?
Yes, ma'am, because my brother is doing classes
Okay.
from the
Try to do it as much as you can.
Ma'am, वैसे I have done all tests I have done.
ma'am, I am sending the group.
Okay, beta. Yes. Very good, Taranveer. I have seen Taranveer's work also. And whose work is this? Manya.
Ma'am, I was disconnected.
Okay, beta, no problem. Okay, beta, this is no answer, Manya. What is public property? While the government has the responsibility of maintaining public property, it is the duty of citizens to take care of it. You have to tell what is public property. Public property is the property that belongs to all individuals, that belongs to all people.
मैम इसके बाद क्या एक और क्लास है?
What, beta?
Ma'am, the 35 minutes has completed.
What, Akshaj?
Ma'am, the 35 minutes has completed.
Very good, very nice.
मैम इसके बाद एक और क्लास है.
बेटा आप लोगों की एक और क्लास है, but not with me, with some other teacher. You will get the link on the class group. Whosoever's period it will be.
Ma'am, the next class of reasoning.
Okay. Very nice, Taranveer. Beta, I have checked your worksheet. All answers are correct. Good work.
Thank
Ma'am, class is going to over in 4 minutes.
Okay, Akshar. It's okay. Relax. Okay, very nice, Akshar. I have checked your work also. All correct. Now let me see Vedanshu's work.
Ma'am, there is a 1 minute.
Yes, beta. Very nice, Vedanshu. All correct answers.
Ma'am, there's less than 1 minute left.
Okay, Riddhi Singh, you have also submitted your work, beta. Good. Very nice.
Ma'am, class is over.
Bye, beta. Bye to all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Still, there is 1 minute left.
Yes, ma'am.
Those who have done can go and join the next class.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay? Bye, beta.
Bye, ma'am. Tata, see you. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, class is over.
Ma'am, those who have done, they can leave.
Ma'am, those who have class